It's time to go do chickie chores. Time to feed the chickens. I give them their outdoor food first. Welcome to Chicken Castle. Just a few steps up, and then we trip. Oh, looks like they haven't been eating a lot of their inside food, which surprises me with it getting colder. So I'm gonna come get the eggs, and I wanted to show you guys the poop shelf. So there it is, full of poop again. As you can see, I haven't done anything with it. But I wanted to show you what it actually is, because I know some of you gave me some good suggestions, and it was supposed to be useful. It actually lifts up, and the eggs are supposed to roll down here when the chickens lay them. But we actually have hay in there because they like that better, and then the eggs don't roll down there anyway, so we definitely can get rid of it. So I'm trying to talk Eric into taking that off there somehow. I guess if he doesn't take it off soon, then I'll have to learn how to use a bandsaw or something. That could be interesting. I'll have to video that. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there she is, 9. That's pretty good. We've only been getting about like 5 or 6 a day, so 9 is pretty good. I saw a great idea that I'm actually gonna try in the chicken coop. I'm gonna see if it works. I'm just kind of trying it out tonight, seeing if it fits. I've got an easier way to clean out the chicken nesting boxes. I have lots of plastic bins. Some of them are getting old, and I thought they might work good in the chicken coop, in the nesting boxes. If this fits in there, then it'll be so much easier just to take this out and dump in the compost pile than to try to clean that box out, because it's really hard to get stuff out of there. So let's go see if it fits. I am approaching the nesting boxes. Here is the moment of truth. Will it fit? Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. It fits perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It fits perfect in there. This is gonna work perfectly. That'll be so much easier to just take the bucket out and go dump it in the compost rather than try to dig stuff out of here all the time. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Now I just need to get some more straw. Big Daddy, how are you today? You can come say hi? Hi.